Welcome back to the channel, guys. Appreciate every one of y'all. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. We are going to make some hay. We cut some Tifton 85. It's ready to rock and roll. Well, guys, these next few clips is going to show the difference from the past 2 years, 3 years ago. Um, the amount of grass that I was getting out. I'm flying here with a drone, doing a rake, making some huge windrows. I stopped raking that way because it just clogs up the baler. Here I am with a drone flying over what I'm baling, and I'm getting about 2 rolls or 2 round bales for each windrow. And at that time I was irrigating, fertilizing every 28 days. Irrigating, cutting it, baling it, irrigate, fertilize, cutting, baling. Now it's we have nothing. I mean, compared to what we have this year and last year, our hay production is less than half. It's a shame. And I fertilized and I spent a lot of money this last go around, and thought that I had enough water in there, but apparently it wasn't, because this stuff didn't fertilize it any different than I have in the past, and hay production is way low. It's killing me. So I mean, I got more hay here on this first pan that's not even 4 acres maybe, out of the 2 pans that I just cut. So this summer, or this Texas drought that's been hitting us, is really bad. We haven't been able to get water from Mexico that they've owed us for 4 years, 5 years. So it's not looking good for us. We did get some rain, but for me, it wasn't enough. I hope we can get irrigation water soon, but it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good for the winter, and I mean, yeah, but like I say, it is what it is. But man, I feel for a lot of farmers and ranchers because it's going to be really hard. I might end up having to buy a bunch of hay to feed my own cattle. So, yeah, guys, I want to thank y'all. Really appreciate y'all watching our video, and if you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Guys, support your farmers, your ranchers. These are the guys that are putting the food on your table in reality. Just comes down to that. Farmers, ranchers, they're putting the food in all our country. Not bad looking hay, guys. They turned out okay. Not huge production, that's for sure. It's good fertilized quality hay. I think there was 26 bales out here. One or two messed up ones like that. I don't know what happened to the baler, but they're green. They're nice, they're solid, and there's some good hay. So, very pleased. I wish I had, 100 more, but hey, it is what it is. This is about 8 acres here, so we need another about 10 acres, I think. All right, we'll keep you posted, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate it. We're not stacking it. I'm bringing it close to a barn. I'm going to let it sweat out tonight. Tomorrow morning I'll come out here and put it in the barn. But hay looks really pretty, guys. It's decent green. It's not the winter cut green, for you guys that bale all the time, and if you've ever baled hay during the winter, you know the way the grass stays really green. But it was worth the cut, that's for sure, because I can tell you one thing: it's always nice to have hay, especially when you feed your cattle and winter comes around and there is no grass. So, in winter people are selling the bales of hay for $100 and something. Well, and you feed 6-7 bales at a time, that adds up real fast. Well, I'll get the rest of them tomorrow. I gotta go look at a little heifer for my daughter that is gonna show at the livestock show. So we'll keep you posted on that, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Appreciate all of y'all.